Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you all how to make this water candle which can be lightened like this. And you can make this very easily at home. See how nice it looks when it's lighting. Now I am going to teach you all how I made this. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and don't forget to click the bell icon. Come, let's start. First, I have taken a transparent glass and put colorful pebbles inside it. Now I am going to pour a little water and a little oil. Before pouring oil, we should add a little bit of color. If you do not want color, you can live like that only. I am putting a little blue color. And now I'll mix it. After you mix it properly, pour some oil. After you pour some oil, can you see the oil and water is getting separated? The oil will float and the water will get synced. Now I have cut a plastic sheet into a circle shape. Now we are going to fold it into half and cut it. Now we'll open it and take a cotton thread and put the cotton thread inside the hole. Now after this, we will roll the down cotton thread and leave it slowly into the water. And now your water candle is ready. Let's burn this both together. Make sure the cotton thread is not fallen into the water or there is no water on it. Cotton takes some time to burn, but it burns very nice and bright. See how nice it looks when you burn them. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.